Hey guys, welcome to our channel. Yes, if you're just seeing me for the first time, this is the first time you're seeing my video. My name is Medilock and I'm saying a big welcome to you. Yes, please join us, subscribe to our channel if you are new here, and even if you're an old timer, you've been watching my video, you're not subscribed yet, what are you waiting for? Please subscribe to our channel, okay? Because I'm your sister, I'm your one. Let me do mine for you. Subscribe to our channel, okay? Because I want us to be making sense together. And we are sharing spiritual secrets on how you can blow. You can become somebody. Yes, you are in Obodoyibo, you are in Nigeria, you are in other countries, and your enemies are saying, let's see what he or she will bring home. Let's see. Shey their son has gone out, shey their son has traveled, shey their son has run to America. Let us see now. Let him come home with something. He will come here. Your enemies are there. When you were preparing to travel out, your enemies were also preparing, if you don't know. I've spoken to about 10 people since I started this YouTube channel. Yes. I said, when you were preparing to go, I saw a woman. This woman is dark in complexion. And this woman went with you. You sleep with this woman every day. This is an elderly woman. He said, no, Medilock, I used to sleep with one lady. She's very beautiful. Every night, she will come and sleep with me. I said, yes, in your own eyes, you are seeing yourself sleeping with a very pretty, beautiful woman. But me, Medilock, I am seeing an old, elderly woman. See, if you see this woman, you will vomit. That is the kind of woman that you are sleeping with. And even as I'm talking to you right now, your workman is not functioning well. Apart from you not getting jobs, not getting employment, you are abroad, yet they are paying, they are feeding, the government of that place where you are is the one feeding you. He said yes. I said, now even your workstation is not working. It's dying. It's dying like this. He said, yes. How do you know? Medilock, this, that. I said, calm down. Things are happening. I'm talking to you that you're watching me right now. Life is not like this. Life is like this. Yes. And in the battle of spiritual, you don't run. You don't run. What you need is knowledge. And that is what we are providing on this channel for free. I have never organized any masterclass anywhere that you will pay money for me to teach you what I'm teaching you. Freely I receive. I grew up like this. And things that I know, I want to share with us. As many that take it, it will work for them. Okay? It's not everybody that will take what you are teaching. Some, you watch my video, you look at my eye, and that is it. You will not do it. So now, as a mother, as a father, your child, the enemies are ganging up against your child. How do you lock up the mouth of your enemy? That is what this video is all about. Yes, I want to introduce to us our padlock. Yes. How do you do this? It is very simple. Remember the video we uploaded a video I used this padlock as a teaching aid to show you how you can unlock your breakthrough, your blessings, your life, your financial life using padlock. And a lot of people are still asking me questions concerning that particular video because you didn't understand it or because you are very skeptical about it. Some are saying that if somebody should see a padlock like this, and the person that they will just throw it away, they will not open it. You, what is your own business whether they are going to open it or not? The most important thing is that you pray over it. Don't go and put it in a very in a place where people will see it as if it's something you throw away. Put it in a very strategic place, in a place where people will see it, in a very normal place. You understand? You can even lock this thing now, take it to a supermarket. Yes, take it to a supermarket. As you are moving around, leave it there on the table. One of the workers will come and pick it up when they are cleaning the place. They will pick it up. Naturally, when you see a padlock like this, no matter how long it takes, one person, one day, will be inquisitive and you will open it. And once it is open, that is it. Your job is done. You don't need to worry whether the person is going to use the padlock or is going to lock it back or whatever. The first opening, that is all you need. This is spiritual. Spiritual is not physical. Okay? So now, this video is not about that padlock to open your destiny. But now this video is about how to use padlock to lock up the mouth of your enemies. Against you, against your husband, against your children, against anything that concerns you. Yes. How are you going to do this? I'll be right back.
Simple solutions to life.
Yes, you're welcome back from that time out. Let me do my eye for you. Okay, so now this is your padlock. Okay, and your son traveled abroad, or your son is in the university, your daughter is in the secondary school, your children are growing up, they are young children, or your marriage is new, you are in a new relationship. Whatever class you belong, this video is for you. Okay, if you have seen this video to this point, congratulations. Yes, now this is padlock. Okay, I want to turn it so that you see that it is like this. So now you are going to leave it open like this. Okay, it's open now, it's not locked, it's open. He will pray over it. Call the names of your children. Call the name of your husband or your fiancé. Maybe you are in a relationship and you're feeling that some people are going to spoil it. And at the end of the day, the guy will stop picking your call or the girl will stop picking your call. It's not only men that will refuse to pick a woman's call, even women too. Even women can decide not to pick a man's call. Yes, now. So, as it is above, so it is beneath. So now, you have this padlock like this. Say that thing. Pray that prayer. Any evil, anyone that may arise. See, this particular spiritual exercise is good for futuristic, safeguarding kind of prayer. You understand? You go ahead of your enemy. You go ahead of your enemy. Okay? But I've also uploaded a video on how to unlock what has been done against you using padlock too. But this time around is to lock up whatever the enemy may want to do or say against you in the future. So, you pray over it that this man, I love him, he loves me, I want to marry him, and I want us to have a peaceful marriage relationship together. Every evil mouth, every evil eye that may want to enter and destroy what we have, I lock it up in this place. Every mouth, every evil eye that want to speak against my children to destroy their life, I lock that evil. I safeguard the life of my children. I seal them and I lock them in a way that the enemy will never have access to my children. They will call them, they will look for them, they will never see them. Anything they say, unless this padlock is opened, that is when the enemy will have power over this particular thing. Mention it. Pray over it. When you finish your prayer, you lock it up like this. Remove. When you lock it like this, when you lock it, I think this padlock, this type, when you lock it, you have to remove the key before you lock it. Once you lock it like this, you lock it up like this, go and throw it away. Throw it away. Nobody can open this padlock. Even if they cut it, or they break it, they did not open it. Yes, that thing that you want remain protected, remain sealed forever. Go and throw it away. And the key, also, you can keep the key, because if you throw the key at the same place where you are going to throw this thing, somebody will be tempted, will find a padlock, will find a key, and decide to insert it and open it and undo your prayers. So you don't put the key. If you like, if you are going to, you are living in Ikeja, in Lagos, you can take it to Idumota. Go and throw it in Idumota. And then the key is in Ikeja. You are living in New York. You can decide to enter a train to Houston and go and throw the key in Houston, and then leave the key in New York. If you are living in US, maybe you are in UK, you can do the same thing. You don't put them in the same place, and believe you me, it works like fire. Yes. So guys, this brings us to the end of our video for today. We'll talk more about other important spiritual simple solution to life in our next video. Please, if you are not subscribed yet to my channel, look at my eye. What are you waiting for? Subscribe now. I'm your sister. Subscribe now. Just hit the subscribe button and join us. It's free. Nobody's charging you anything. Okay? Subscription is free. Alright. See you again in our next video. Bye.